Hello. Today I have my red Ryder BB gun here and some old safety glasses down there. Now I'm wearing safety glasses myself just in case it were to ricochet, but let's see what happens if it's a direct hit. Alright, looks like I hit it. See. I hit on this side. These are pretty beat up, but it does look like if you were wearing safety glasses and you were hit directly in the eye, you would be completely fine. Alright, maybe I'll try again with a pellet gun someday. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time.